Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to our Saturday morning mindfulness meditation session. It's wonderful to be back. It's wonderful to be here. So let's just take a moment here to settle in and to settle down. Find your comfortable place in a seated position, on your chair, on Mother Earth, on Shkakmakwe, wherever you feel comfortable. And once you are grounded in your own place and space, just take a few moments just to tune in. And tuning in is bringing all of who we are right here, right now, in this beautiful moment. Connecting with our embodiment, connecting with ourselves, connecting with all of who we are. It's letting go and relinquishing all external stuff and become aware of the sounds and so on that's still around you without reacting to them. I invite you to relax your shoulders, relax your belly, relax your chest. Give your entire being permission just to settle in and to settle down. A mindfulness practice is a coming home to our embodiments, coming home to our own presence, where we can experience and feel and just be with ourselves in silence, in contemplation for a few moments. In doing so, we calm the thoughts, we calm the mind, we calm the body, and we begin right away to regulate our own nervous systems. So we're focusing on the 7 African principles, and today we focus on Nia, or purpose, the 5th African principle. And a purpose and a Nia is a very, very powerful step that we take. And Nia in purpose in African culture means that we include and always think about our community. And we always think about the collective in our community. And as we move towards restoring ourselves, that we restore the greatness of our communities. How do we do that? Nice long deep in breaths and nice long out breaths. And the knowledge keepers, they teach us that all of us have a purpose or Nia in this life. Many say we know this when we are born, that we all have that divine purpose in this life. So the African principle, Nia, teaches us to get in touch with our deeper self, with our deeper wisdom, with our higher self. to learn as much about ourselves that we can, our existence, why we are here, how we are here, and what we need to do to reach our full potential in this life. For some of us it comes so naturally, and for some of us it takes years. So let's just focus on our purpose. Why are we here? Do we know? My grandmother taught me that when we find our niche or our purpose in terms of why we are in this creation, everything changes, because then it doesn't feel like work, but more like just being in sync with creation. And whatever we do, that we enjoy it, we love it, and we're happy doing it. And she told me, my child, if you find that, then you found your purpose in life. But it's hard work, she used to add. So this morning, as you sit in your meditation, do you know your purpose in this life? Are you on your path? Bring your entire being into your own awareness as you breathe in and breathe out, and feeling the beauty of being home, back home in our embodiment. Feel all that you need to feel, all the bodily sensations, the language of the body, without reacting, without judgment, without commentaries, but just being present to this beautiful presence, right here, right now, in this moment. Ride the waves of your breath like the waves of the ocean, coming in and going out. I want to share a quote by Benjamin CARSON. He says, we create our own destiny by the way we do things. We must take advantage of opportunities, but we must also be responsible for our own choices. Let's take a few more breaths here. As we bring our entire being into our awareness. Slowly and gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing new life into them. And as you open your eyes, just look around you and just get a sense of where you are and how you are. And just feeling the difference in your embodiment and in your spirit. So thank you everyone for sharing your beautiful practice and your energy with me and everyone else here today. It's always an honor. Have a beautiful rest of this glorious Saturday and Sunday, and of course the rest of the week. And take all of this with you and apply it to your day-to-day life. So namaste. As always, the divine in me, I honor the divine in you. Uh-huh.